The Old Bailey proceedings are made up of 120 million words, recording 197,000 trials held at the Old Bailey, or the Central Criminal Court in London, between 1674 and 1913. All of human life and every kind of crime is here. This tutorial is designed to get you started searching for names and phrases. The easiest way of searching this text is by keyword from the home page. The first thing most people do is search for their own name. My name is Tim Hitchcock, so I'm going to search for the name Hitchcock. The results page lists the first 10 trials or results. To know the full number of results returned, select Calculate Total at the right-hand top of the results page. Searching for the word Hitchcock produces 288 results, listed 10 per page. You can navigate to later trials using the Jump to Page menus at the top and bottom of each results page. This only appears if you have already selected Calculate Total. Result number 3, for William Hitchcock, looks interesting, and you can read his trial report by selecting the line of text beginning William Hitchcock Theft. This will take you to the trial text itself, where we discover that William Hitchcock and one other person, named only as H.G., were indicted for assaulting and pickpocketing 2 bills of exchange from John Hatchett in 1698. The trial report also indicates that William was found guilty and sentenced to hang, and that H.G. was branded for this same offense. You can read descriptions of the offenses, verdicts, and punishments associated with each trial by following the links in the yellow box or trial header at the top of the page. The first line of the yellow box is labeled Reference Number. This provides a unique identifier for this particular trial or piece of text. In this instance, the reference number is T1698-0223-37. You can use this number to navigate back to this trial from the home page or other search pages. You can also view an image of the original printed page by selecting View Original from the right-hand margin. This will take you to a scan of the original page, though you'll probably need to scroll down to find the actual trial, as more than one trial was published on most pages. More complex searches can be undertaken from the Search Home page. You can navigate to the Search Home page from any other page on the site by selecting the link labeled Search Home in the left-hand column, or labeled Search in the menu along the top of the page. Search Home allows you to search by keyword or phrase, surname, given name, alias, offense, verdict, or punishment. You can also limit your search to particular types of text beyond the trials. These options are listed in the pull-down menu and include advertisements, front matter, biographies of executed criminals or the ordinary of Newgate's accounts, punishment summaries, and supplementary material. The default setting is all text. You can also limit the time period you are searching using the From and To boxes towards the bottom of the page. For further help using any of these facilities, click on the question mark and the orange diamond by each search box. Unlike the search box on the home page, the Search Home facility allows you to combine different types of searches. You might, for instance, be interested in a particular trade and wish to include a phrase such as silversmith in the keyword box. Be sure to enclose the phrase in quotation marks in order to undertake a phrase search. Or you might wish to combine this phrase search with a name search in order to help identify a specific silversmith. You might, for instance, include William Young in the forename and surname boxes. And you might be interested in a particular period, and so put 1730 and 1760 into the date limit boxes. You may need to scroll down to the bottom of the page to see the orange search button. Select this button to begin your search. This search produces 8 results, 3 of them referring to a single trial with 3 different defendants, Samuel Moses, Michael Jude, and Solomon Aythorne, who were found guilty of burglarizing the house of William Young, a silversmith, in December of 1743. The subsequent 5 results take you to the biographies of these men as produced by the chaplain or ordinary of Newgate Prison prior to their execution, and include detailed descriptions of both the background of each of these men and their behavior prior to their judicial murder at Tyburn. For most purposes, in order to look for named individuals or keywords or phrases, or indeed crimes and verdicts, the Search Home page will provide all the functionality you will need. But you can also use the Personal Details search page, Statistics, and Custom search pages to access more functions and to narrow your searches to make them more effective. You can also use the Browse pages to look through the proceedings and ordinary accounts by date, or search the proceedings and the ordinary accounts separately. The Associated Records page allows you to search a database of materials related to the trial accounts produced here, and the Place and Map search page helps locate crime locations and defendants' homes on maps from the period. For detailed support in using these facilities, see the tutorials and study guides provided.